Hey guys, as you may remember, in the first video of the Zapier video training series, we created a Zap where we integrated WordPress and Twitter. What we've done there is every time we create a new blog post in WordPress, we take the title and the URL of the post and we create a tweet out of that using that information. So what we are going to do today is make some changes on the data, some changes on the format of the data that we are using to create the tweet. So that's so we are going to use one of the features that Zapier formatters provide. So let's jump into the Zap and let's add a new step using Zapier formatters. So I'm going to add this new step into the Zap. Let's do a quick recap. First, we have a trigger that is the new post where we selected WordPress, we connected to WordPress, we selected the new post event with the published status, and then what we're going to do now is we're going to format that a part of the post information. So I'm going to select formatter here. And we have multiple formatters. We have numbers formatters, we have utilities, we have date-time formatters, and then we have text formatters. So for example, with numbers, we can do math operations, we can do some currencies formatting, and some other things. We have utilities as well, so things such as choose a value from a list, or we can look up for some value in a table. And we also have some daytime formatting operations. And for example, we can add days to one specific date, or we can subtract time to one specific time. So, and we also have the text formatter utility that is actually the one that we're going to select, and you can do a lot of things with it. Let's select that one, and I'm going to show you what the options are. So, for example, you can do things like capitalize the text. You can convert Markdown to HTML. So you can transform the field that you receive to HTML. You can extract an email address from a text. You can extract a number. You can extract a pattern. Extract phone numbers, extract URLs, and some other functions. On this demo, what we are going to do is we are going to take the title of the post. That is one of the fields that we are using to create the tweet. And currently, this post title is capitalized. And now what we are going to do is we're going to transform it to lowercase. So I'm going to select lowercase. And I'm going to select the input that is going to be the blog post title. As you can see, is currently capitalized. So I'm going to click on continue. And now I'm going to test this formatting or transformation of the text from capitalized to lowercase. So I'm going to send test to formatted by Zapier. And as you can see, the output is actually that title in lowercase. So I'm going to click on continue here. And I'm going to move on to the third action. That is the step where we build or we create the tweet by using the post title and the post URL. And what we are going to do here is, let me see. we are already connected to our Twitter account. And here, where we put the actual data into the tweet, that is this message field, we're going to replace the title as we have it today by the new title that is formatted by Zapier as a lowercase text. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to select text, and I'm going to select this post title that, as you can see, is now in lowercase format. So I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to check my Twitter account just to see the latest post. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this test to Twitter, and we're going to see that we're going to create a tweet, but now the title is going to be in lowercase. So I'm going to click on send test to Twitter. I'm going to refresh this. And as you can see, now the post title is in lowercase. So that's all I have for today. Thank you. Remember to like and subscribe, and add any comments below if you have any questions, any doubts. So thank you again, and I see you in the next video.